Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly, let's select language. I'll select English. Tap on the arrow, then you can connect to the SIM card. Insert SIM card, but if you don't have any SIM card on you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just skip this step and do this later. Then you have Google services, just disable all ticks here and accept Google's terms of service. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you can name your device, but also you can just leave it unnamed. Then you can protect your phone with no code, pattern, PIN, password, or just don't do this at all, or just do it later in settings. Then you have to agree with EULA and tap next. Then you can set up smart forward, some kind of feature, but you can also just skip it. And as you can see, your device is ready to be used now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.